Today in the Dad Bod workshop we're going to be changing the oil and oil filter of our BMW R1150RT. Let's get started. We've pre-warmed the bike, and the first thing is to drop the sump plug. You need an 8mm hex for that.
And now he flies the owner of playing.
While that's draining, we'll pull the oil filter out. That's a 17mm socket for our filter, depending whether you've got a K&N or a MAL.
You know, he just gets called up, but now he's got a set schedule, which is pretty cool.
Just be careful not to touch the pipe because the bike's been pre-warmed to make the oil drain better. Now that's drained, we put the sump plug back in. Before we do that, we make sure we change the crush washer. We set our torque wrench to 32 Newton meters. Torque to 32 Newton meters. Next, we take our new oil filter. It's a MAL OC91 for this bike. Since it's a vertical filter, this one, we can put some oil in it to start with. The sump takes 3.7 litres. And I'm using the Penrite MC4ST. It's a 20W50 premium mineral oil. You just check to make sure that the seal from the previous one is not stuck up there, and this one was. Always double check. If two seals are up there, like one seal, two seals left from the previous one, it won't seal properly. We put some new engine oil around the seal here. And this seal is torqued up to 11 Newton meters. And we're done. Now we can put the oil back in. Since the oil filter's already got oil in it, we don't go to the 3.75 straight away, we'll go to about 3.5 litres and then we'll recheck the oil levels. We've just topped it up again after letting it sit, and now this is the correct level.